Come on, let's go. Getting a little break in the action. Rained like not even cats and dogs, worse. Wolves and lions. Bigger, more ferocious, you know, get the picture? Yeah, right. Okay, here we are. 2 acres, South Fork of the Smith River. Absolutely beautiful. It's all yours for $259. $259. Add 1,000 to that, 259,000. That's right. But you know, we'll take 280. Okay. Here we are. It's supposed to say waterfront. It blew over. It blew. It's been blowing. Huh, Cosmo? Huh? 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 What are you doing? Huh? What do you want? What do you want? Kick your butt. Now wheel. Alright, later.